That's a hawk. That's a hawk. That's a hawk. Oh my god, that is a hawk. That is a huge bird. Wow, look at him. That's a falcon. Oh my god, that's a peregrine falcon, right? Oh, I wish I had a better fucking camera on my phone. Wow, that's a fucking hawk, guys. Hi, baby. That's a peregrine. That's a fucking hawk. That's a brown-tailed hawk. That bird is huge. Oh shit, I'm not even looking at it through the camera anymore. I want to look at it through my eyes because my eyes are better. Wow. It flew up and I was like, that bird is so huge. Hi, buddy. Wow. I want to catch it flying away because it's so big. It's almost as big as that fucking airplane over there. I swear to God it is. Wow, buddy. He's looking for food. He's going to try and pick off a pigeon or something. Oh, where'd he go? So fucking cool, dude. Oh my goodness. Right here in the middle of fucking Scottsdale. Big ass hawk. Oh god. I keep looking at him and moving my camera instead of keeping my camera on him. See, I was just talking about hummingbirds and here's this big ass hawk that flies up. Come on, buddy. Wow. What a beautiful bird. I am so blessed. He's looking right at me too. Wow. Cool, buddy. Cool, buddy. So cool. Oh my god. Wow. How long is he gonna sit up there? It's been a solid 2 minutes now. He's looking for something to eat. He's not paying any attention to me. He's looking. He doesn't give a shit about sounds. He or she, I don't know. It's a fucking big ass bird, dude. Oh, come on. Come on, focus. Focus, focus. There you go. Focus. Wow. How freaking cool is that? I want to know what kind of fucking hawk that is. It's a bird of prey. That's all I know. It's a big one. Big hawk. Or a falcon. Or whatever. God, he's so pretty. He's looking at me again. Oh, he's gonna fly. I think. Wow, buddy. Fucking cool is that? So blessed. Look at him. Oh, shit. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on. Don't fly away yet, buddy. Wow. Freaking cool is that? I want to move just a little bit so I can see him a little bit better from over here, maybe. Oh, man. Come on, buddy. There we go. Let's see if that helps at all. Hey, buddy. Beautiful guy. Pretty female, whatever you are. I don't know what you are. I don't know if you're a girl or a boy. Dang. Why is it that I always see these big ass birds of prey and I can't get any closer? I can't get a bigger picture of them. Wow. So blessed. 5 minutes he's been up there already.